Mamas. This is lesson 5 of the WordPress blog setup. And this is about setting up your profile and your other settings in which you can go in and change anytime. It's set up that way if you want to change your username, your display name, or other things. You could go in and change those, and if you have to adjust any settings, you can adjust those. So I'm going to show you how to first set up your profile. So all right, so when you log into your WordPress website, you will probably come to this page where it says my site right here. And if you do this little circle right here, that's where your profile photo will be. You click on that and you come to your profile and settings page. So step 1, you want to upload a photo, preferably a photo of yourself. And I just uploaded this photo of the computer desk for tutorial purposes, but you really want to add photo of yourself. That is preferred. Okay. And so the next step is you want to put in your name and your public display name. So you put in your first name, as I have here, Rhonda Fore, and your public display name. If you don't want to use your first name, you may want to use the name of your blog, which in this case, Boss Mom Blogger CEO. I want to use that. Now, if you want to, you can use your first name, as I have stated a few seconds ago. Now over here on the left side under your profile photo, you will have your blog name with your public display name at, the same name. Okay. And then after that, which is step 3, you want to type in here a little bit about yourself. You can keep it short, keep it at least 2 to 3 sentences. Okay. Your about page is where you can go into a little bit more detail about yourself, but on your profile, keep it pretty short. Okay. And so you have on the left side over on this list, you have your account settings. And here it shows your username, your email address associated with the account, your primary site, your website address. And if you want to change your dashboard color theme, you can. And save when you finish. Okay, let me go back. Now, if you have any other profile links, like any other websites or URLs you want to add, you just click on those and you can add. Now, this is the same blog, but I'm going to click on that and add it. And if I want to add my other site, which is virtuworksforyou.com, I could, which I will. Okay, so I click add site, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to account settings, and I think I'll change my dashboard color scheme. If there's any one that fits, it doesn't fit purple, so they don't have purple up here, so I'll leave that blank as it is. But you can change, and once you change, you have to click on save. Okay, manage purchasing. This is if you make any purchases, they'll show up here. Security. Okay, if you want to, you can add an extra layer of security to your site. If you want to change your password, you click on this link, this tab. If you want to log in faster by linking your website WordPress.com account with the following third-party services like Google or Apple, you can. And two-step authentication as an extra layer of security to your account. Once enabled, logging into WordPress.com, you will be required to enter a unique passcode generated by an app on your mobile device or sent via text messages in addition to your username and password. So I have the two-step authentication enabled for virtueworksforyou.com. So if you want to, you can do that. You can connect apps if you want to, other apps. And if you so happen, just in case you need to recover your account, you lose it, like keep your account safe by adding a backup email address and phone number. If you ever have problems accessing your account, WordPress.com will use what you enter here to verify your identity. Okay, so I add Miss Fore. Okay. All right. So that is done. And here is privacy. Okay. And here you can decide if you want to share information with our analytics tool about your use of services while log into your WordPress account. You can click on when it's on, you see the blue notification settings. This is where you enable notifications. If you want to get notifications that someone comment on your site, someone like your comments, like the post, follow your site's achievements. For example, if you reach a milestone on your site, like you got up to 100 blog posts, they alert you on that and celebrate that. Username mentions and post publicized. All right, you can change these settings if you would like and save settings. If you have to block any sites, there's some more things in the notification settings. So the same thing, if I don't want a notification on likes or replies to my comments, I can just uncheck them. If you want to get emails from WordPress, you check all these. If not, uncheck them and save. Okay, if someone, I guess it says someone sign up to your blog to get notifications when you release a new post, it'll send an email to you, and so you save notifications when that happens. Okay, and this is if you have to block any sites which you don't want to do that. Okay, and so that's basically it. And this is where you also come to log out if you want to log out your account. You just click log out, you logged out. Okay, and so that is it for the WordPress blog setup lesson 5, profile setup and settings. And if you have any questions, please comment below about this lesson or the training, and I'll be glad to answer those for you. Any other comments or questions about this WordPress training, you can also place below. So that is it. This is module 1. This is not the end of the WordPress blog setup training. I know there's more to come in the future, and I would make lessons 1 through 5 module 1, okay, because there's a lot to go over about WordPress. You know, there's a lot to cover, so I'll just be covering long and releasing these lessons. Lessons 1 through 5 will be available publicly for a limited time, so watch now. And on my YouTube channel, it will be in a playlist format, so I will put a link in the description to the entire playlist. It's best to watch lessons 1 through 5 in that order. And thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next module and lesson.